Hello, welcome or welcome back. It's your woman Angela KOD. Today we are making my grandmother's soup. Come with me and let's make this delicious hot soup. But if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. Thank you. Come with me and let's go together. Guys, for our ingredients for making my grandmother's soup, grandmother's authentic soup, we'll be needing our tomatoes, pepper, ginger, tilapia, that is Kobe. We also need our bushmeat, smoked bushmeat, that is our punam, dry herrings, Turkish berry susa, and the other bellies. This one I don't know the English, but they call it also susa, but I don't know the English name for this one. So these two are different. Also, we'll be needing our instruria. These are small garden eggs, onion and okra, and prekese to taste. So these are the ingredients we'll be needing for our grandmother's soup. Then this soup is really simple and very easy to make. Our veggies are cooked, so I'll go ahead and remove the put off the fire and then remove the okra, because the okra, we don't want it to be red. Sometimes they become really want this green color. So guys, we are cleaning our meat once our vegetables are cooked. We go ahead and wash everything neatly. We should chop some onion on my fingertips. But one kind they say, no, make up on board. We should try this something. We are doing it the same. I'll go ahead and add some ginger, onion, and then blend it. Guys, I'm toasting my prekese. It's always important when you are making your soup, when you toast your prekese, it really infuses the soup and then brings a lot of flavors. Like this, it's okay. It's okay. So I'll go ahead and add it to my soup. I've divided my prekese into two. I'll go ahead and add it to the soup. And then add my blended veggie, ginger and onion. I'll add some more water and then cover it up. Guys, I'm not going to add any salt to this soup because I have Kobe to be added. So after adding the Kobe, then I'll check and then add salt to it. Guys, we'll go ahead and put in add our Kobe, that is our salted tilapia, guys. The reason why this soup is almost soup is so bitter because of the susa, the little green susa added to this soup. It makes it so bitter. Guys, our soup is doing perfect. Let's go ahead and taste for salt. It needs a little bit of salt. So I'll go ahead and add this amount of salt to the soup. Salt is always to your taste, guys. And then I'll cover it up again and simmer it. We are going to pan our fufu. So as I'm quite ready here. And which means it's not, but we really want to enjoy this fufu. I'm not so dead. Yes, our soup is ready. I'll go ahead and add some green chili for more flavor. Soup is ready. Let's go ahead to put on the fire and then allow it to cool down a little bit, and then we will serve, guys. The soup is ready. Guys, let's dig in and serve authentic Ankasa Ome soup, guys. Authentic grandmother soup, guys. Guys, our food is ready. That is my grandmother's recipe. It looks so delicious and it's very healthy. Thank you so much for coming with me to make this delicious healthy soup. But if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. And for my subscribers, Team Angela KOD, and everyone watching my videos, this case is for you. Thank you so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you guys always coming along. Thank you. Give me a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, share my videos with your friends and family. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. Kiss, kiss. Adios.